Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data so you don't lose memories. Back up to Google Drive or iCloud, then export any chats or media you'll need offline. Once done, make sure your phone number is reachable for verification and keep a copy of exported files in a safe folder. You're doing this because deleting the account is irreversible and you'll want access to records. Now move to the app to begin account removal. You now execute the core action, delete the account. In WhatsApp, go to Settings, choose Account, then Delete My Account. Enter your number in international format and follow prompts. This removes you from groups, erases message history on devices, and disassociates backups. Once you confirm, the app processes removal, which can take minutes. If you changed numbers, do this on the old number first to ensure clean removal. Next, uninstall the app from your device. Finish by uninstalling WhatsApp and revoking app permissions so residual access stops. Tell key contacts where to reach you and set up your replacement messaging app. If deletion didn't complete, try reinstalling and repeating the Delete My Account flow, or send a support request with your phone number and deletion attempts. One troubleshooting tip: if verification codes don't arrive, check carrier blocks, SMS settings, or use Wi-Fi. Those fixes often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.